Some of them are mine. You keep taking all mine, I have
And
none.
this is all ours.
It's my tools. They need to be with my
This
tools.
is all ours.
There's 20 of them. You took all 20 of them.
No, you gave it to freaking me.
Good morning, Philippines!
Nag-cut na ako ng buhok ni Misty sa paa. So ngayon, Coco naman, Misty, come on! Come on, I'm not done with you. Come on, right here. Tignan niyo to. Right here. Lay down here. Come on, lay down. Sit. Sit. Look. Ayaw niyang magpaano talaga. Ayaw nilang lay down. Be a good girl. Come on. Look. Siya na yung mismo maglagay sa sarili niya mag-down. Pero ayaw niya yung ganito, guys. Ayaw nila to. Pero, okay na. Okay. Mag-cut naman ng nails. I will cut your nails na. You behave naman na. Come on. I know you don't like it. You don't like it. What do you want? You want me to bring you to the groomer? Which one do you like? Groomer or mama? Huh? Which one do you like? I know. Relax. Relax, lala. Relax. Come on, relax. Relax. Tignan niyo itong... Relax. Ikaw din. Mamaya ka. Okay, enough. Ayaw talaga niya, guys. What do you want? I'm gonna do something to you. Mama's gonna cut your thing. Your nails. Ay, Mama's gonna cut your nails, my love. Tignan niyo, ayaw talaga niya, guys. Nagmamakaawa na ito. You're begging not to do it. You want me to bring you to the groomer or Mama's gonna cut your nails? Okay na. I love you. Come on. Come on. Okay. Your nails kasi, it's long. Your nails is long and Mama need to cut it. Okay, hold on. Hala. Okay. Okay, enough, mister. Come on, baby. Come on. Relax. Come on. Relax yourself. Relax. Okay na. Relax. Relax na, baby. Relax na, baby. Ginoo ko. Adoy, pagkahirap pag may baby. Adoy, ginoo ko. Pagkahirap namang din eh. Hindi man na magpaanik. Okay na, lie down here. Come on. Adoy, ginoo ko. Ito po, tingnan nyo to, guys. Give me, no. Good girl. That's it, huh? That's it. Okay, good girl. Like that. Your paw. Roxy, go away. Tignan nyo to, guys. Okay. Give me your paw. Good girl. Be a good girl. Give me your paw. Sit down. Sit. You sit. Good girl. Paw. Adoy. No, Mama's not happy. Oy. What, Mistika? Mama not happy. Where's Misty? Look at that. Kinuha niya yung kamay ko. You make Mama happy, baby. Tignan niyo, kinuha yung kamay ko. You make Mama happy ba? Come on, tignan niyo. Kinuha niyo yung kamay ko. You want Mama happy. Look. Stay na. Behave ni Mama. Behave. Oh. Behave, ha? I said behave. Oh. Naku talaga. Di maminaw. Hold on. Like that. No, Mama's not happy. Mama's not happy with you. I know, Mama's not happy. Come on, give Mama a kiss. Come on. Come on. Okay na? We're not gonna force it, okay? I'm not gonna force it. Okay? I'm not gonna force it. Okay? I'm not gonna force you. I guess I'm gonna bring you to the groomer. Mama have to spend money for a groomer for my baby. Ah, that's all of you, huh? Groomer, huh? That's all of you, huh? Tugdun, maligo na ako. Maligo na si Mama. Mama's gonna take a show na. Mama's gonna take a show now, eh? Because you guys are crazy. Ay, nako. Struggle is real.
Hello, Monica Barrio. I understand people say I'm pronouncing that wrong. I apologize if that's the case, but...
Kabayo.
I didn't say caballo. I said caballo.
Oh, yeah. Silent R.
Maybe I say it too fast.
No, it's your slang.
But, back to cleaning this mess. It was all sanding stuff. Right now we're just sorting all the sandpaper. Let's see that. For different things. This is just straight sandpaper. These are sandpaper for machines. They're all going to wind up in here. Sanding belts which cannot get crushed.
Don't put it on top, huh? That I can reach, huh?
It's going on top next to the painting stuff.
Okay.
This is all specialty sanding stuff. There's a box here somewhere with specialty sand. Oh, there.
What is that for?
It's for a machine. Tons of stuff. This is taking up block and everything else right now. Get this in last.
It's just busy. Dito yung mga gamit dito para i-sort down niya. Ilagay doon sa shelves.
So, all sanding stuff. There's a different sandpaper for different things. Some's for metal, some's for wood. Some's for fine finishing, some's for rough.
So what are you gonna do with my bike?
Just gonna hang on a wall.
Can we just give it away?
No. You'll give it away and then you want another one. We'll never use it.
So,
My wife wanted a bike. She wanted a bike. She wanted a bike. Never rode it. Not one time. Not one time. Not for 1 minute.
I did.
Did not.
1 minute I did. Drive away. You need something me to give it to you?
No, I'm looking for other sand. But
Just leave it here for now and then you will
no,
find
it goes
another.
up there. I need to get some off the floor. And then I find no sandpaper. I throw it into the bin. Oh.
Okay. You need help?
No, there's a crack on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Be careful, be careful. You're back. Hala, hala, hala.
So I put labels on them.
So what kind of machine is that? It's like a typewriter, guys.
It's a label maker.
Okay.
Just type it in, you hit print, and it prints it on a little sticky.
Look, it's printing now. That's nice, hon. Oh, I want that. I like that.
You know, I had a brand new one in the basement that somebody walked away with.
Hello mga kabaryo. Ito yung ano ni Tami. Vlog po ito ni Tami, ha. Pero i-check natin yung mga kabaryo ninyo dun sa garahian. Ang daming kalat. Pero may accomplishment daw siya. So, hi mga kabaryo! Dito siya. Hey, kabaryo! You're done? Talk to your mga kabaryo. I'm just visiting you because your mga kabaryo need update what's going on here.
Hey, Monica Barrio.
I thought it's gonna be like
We didn't have enough shelf
bin
space.
over there.
Not enough shelf space.
Because that's a waste of space, love.
Well, I'm putting the stuff that we don't use often higher up. The outdoor cleaners, the rug shampoo, you don't use very often. This is the outdoor Windex.
Oh my God, how many bottles do we have, guys? Look. Oh my God, tignan nyo mga kabaryo. Look at it mga kabaryo. This is from Neuroshell to here. He kept buying stuff. So this is all his collection mga kabaryo. So you see accomplishment here.
Well, making more room over here so I can bring more stuff up.
Yeah, don't overflow over there because that's
well, stuff that in the basement that we don't need. Some upstairs, some downstairs. Oh, let me see. Where is this? Oh, maybe it's downstairs.
You know why I say you know why I say this, because on top over there it should be boxes because there's a lot of like space going back up.
Yeah, well, we'll have the top ones for what we do.
This is what you do, not we.
That's what I do.
Huh?
We can say that.
Yeah.
What I'm doing, guys, just going through this mess.
Don't lost it.
No, put it under the rack where you have it. This should be up here with these.
Ayaw niya magpatulong, guys. Ayaw talaga niya ako dito magsirok-sirok. Ayaw niya. Sabi, I told him, do you need help? Do you want me to carry that? He doesn't want me to just be... Hubuan ko man yun. Hubuan ta karon tami. Pwede hubuan ang tami mo eh. Like, hoy, this battery, you have to have all this battery for gardening. You have to make a place, okay? A bin or a box. Not a bin, it's a little box. Because it's some of them over there in the charger.
Some of them are mine. You keep taking all mine, I have
And
none.
this is all ours.
It's my tools, they need to be with my
This
tools.
is all ours.
There's 20 of them, you took all 20 of them.
No, you gave it to freaking me.
I gave you a bunch of them, and then you took that brand new one in the package, you put it with yours. That was for my car.
It's in this house. That means it's honey. Guys, look, tignan nyo. This is mga kabaryo. Look, we split.
Then I'm working with a tool, and I can't use the tool because I got no friggin' working battery. But
It's over here. You can see
I'm
it.
so greedy because she's got 20 of them. What?
I don't put names. I don't put names, Sis Mary. And it's over there. That means you can use. I can use. And don't be like that. I don't like that attitude.
Some over here. I keep the ones for the tools with my tools.
I don't like that attitude, huh? Attitude of like. Attitude like. Seriously? Now you become like, it's yours, no. You're mine, yours is mine. Everything is mine. Just like, yung mga battery, andito, the battery is just over here, under his nose.
So that'll be 100 miles away from here.
Seriously? Han, can you just stop complaining now? You're living in this house now, that's why it's a mess like this. Complaining about his tools is garbage, oy. It's garbage.
Yeah, guys, my tools are garbage. Caballo, we're going to end this vlog. We're done for now. It's 9 o'clock. I showered. I'm giving the cats their night treaties so they can go sleepies. Oh, of course they don't actually go sleep. They run around and annoy us. Because they're night creatures. Oh. And the puppies will get their bows.
Okay mga kabayo, okay guys, i-end na namin itong vlog. Thank you guys, thank you mga kabaryo.
Have a good night, well you have a good day, because it's day over there. And we will see you tomorrow here, tonight there.
Bye.